Let's start. The project name is the bottom navigation. Let's see the project structure. At the app level build.gradle file, write this plugin. Here we have the main activity, 2 fragments, 1 and 2. And in the UI, we have the respective UI files. In the menu directory, we have a bottom navigation menu.xml file. Let's see the menu first. This is the bottom navigation menu. In the themes.xml file, change the default theme name to this one, otherwise, we will see 2 toolbars in our app. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main.xml file, the constraint layout is the root layout. Inside that, we have another constraint layout that occupies the entire screen. And at the bottom of the screen, we have a bottom navigation view. Here we set the bottom navigation menu. This is the fragment 1 UI. Here we just have a toolbar and a text view. This is the fragment 2 UI. Here we just have a toolbar and a text view. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, first, we call the showFirstFragment function. This is the showFirstFragment function. Here we load fragment 1. Next, in the onCreate function, we set the bottom navigation on item selected listener. When a fragment is selected, we show the respective fragment. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can create bottom navigation in Kotlin Android. Thanks for watching.